thing looks in really, really good condition on the faceplate. And there is a lot of dust and cobwebs in here. I don't think this thing has ever been opened. Or if it has, maybe just to check it out. The screws were weird. They had this like metal thing sticking on the outside, and the back two holes on the cover didn't have anything. Going into this hole here, there was no screws. It's weird. There's like a little square thing. I wonder if that's supposed to be on the inside, outside. There's the AM arm. Doesn't look like any of the tubes went to air. I'll have to clean it up. I have to check the capacitors. So that's probably a rectifier maybe. I don't know what that thing is. I don't think it's a tube. Maybe some kind of rectifier or something. But it looks to be in really, really good shape. Hopefully the output transformers are okay. Next I'll have to open the bottom. The bottom is opened up. And this looks to be all original, from what I can tell. Unless you guys can tell me something was changed. Here we have a Sansui Model 500. Put it on eBay for a couple of Benjamins and a little more. And said it had no power. So first thing I did was I checked the continuity of the power switch to the plug, flipping it back and forth, and there was none. So I just kept working it, sprayed some cleaner in there, and that's all it was. I have it on a dim bulb tester. Do my Variac, I'm at 60 volts. Right now you can see the lights are on. So if I know you shouldn't be powering it up because it's got those Suzuki firecrackers in there. You can see right here one. I don't think that's a Suzuki one, but a little broken a little bit there. The other one next to it looks like it might have been leaking a little bit. This black, it says 700 ohm on it. I don't know what the other writing is underneath. I tried to clean it, but it's bulging. I'm not sure what that black thing is. If you guys can tell me, I'll look on the schematic also. But when I turn up the voltage, I'll go up to 80. Dim bulbs glowing just a little bit, but it usually does that with tube gear. The lights are getting a little brighter. Also, you can see a little bit square eye tube actually works. Let me pump it up a little bit more. I'll go up to 100. Nothing bad. The dim bulb going a little bit. There you can see one light bulb's out down there. But the red light also works if I turn it. stereo goes on. So might let it run for a little bit. I'll go down to 80 volts. Let it sit for a little while, let the caps reform, then go up a little bit more. But thing's in really nice shape. Really nice shape. A little dusty, but the top has cobwebs in it and stuff. But not too bad.